You know what? I think this is a great opportunity to go walking outside. What do you say, Mabuhay Squad, huh? I think it's a great opportunity to walk outside and see if Malaya stays with me. I think she will. I mean, of course, there is that risk that she'll fly out into a tree and not come back and I won't be able to get her, but something tells me you'll stay with me. Should we do it, Mabuhay Squad? Let's go take a walk. Malaya, I trust you will not fly away from us, but if you do, just know that it's been such a pleasure watching you grow. Alright, Mabuhay Squad, here we go. Going out with the bird. Free flight. Wish us luck.
Damn these clouds, I don't know what it is.
Alright guys, here we go. Malaya, don't panic. This is just morning traffic, okay? I'm gonna quickly go to the neighborhood streets so she doesn't freak out with all of these cars that are driving by. Don't worry, Malaya, I'm here. Yes, we're gonna go to the quiet area. Ooh, it's so cool right now, this early in the morning. I love it. Everyone's getting up, getting ready to go to work. Yes. Alright, here we go. Alright, so far so good, Mabuhay Squad. Yes. Ooh, they are so crisp. I really love this area, guys. So if you guys are new to the daily vlogs, I live along Shaw Boulevard in a city called Mandaluyong, which is in Metro Manila. It's close to Mega Mall, if you guys have ever been there. And I'm walking through a very beautiful neighborhood right now called Addition Hills. Barangay Addition Hills. So nice. We'll start to get to some really beautiful houses soon. But I love this section of the neighborhood because it's so quiet and peaceful, and it's great for walks. So far so good, Mabuhay Squad. She's looking around and she's seeing some of the birds, and I'm hearing some of the birds now. Malaya, where are you going? Okay. My heart jumps into my throat when I see her gearing up to like fly. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street. Malaya, this is called an intersection. You have to look both ways. Well, maybe not you because you're flying, but whatever.
Oh wow, look at that, Mabuhay Squad. I have never seen that before. It's a type of slug, but I've never seen it before. Like, it's got a flat back. Interesting.
Honestly, the wildlife here in the Philippines astounds me all the time. Alright guys, so before we begin anything, I just wanted to remind you all, in case you haven't heard yet, I'm having a benefit birthday dinner. So my birthday is this month. Oh, here's a car. Let's go away from the car. So my birthday is this month on June 23. And I usually don't celebrate my birthday. I'm not a big birthday celebrating guy. I am for others, but for myself, I don't know, not so much. But I am this year to raise funds for our fellow Pinoys over there in Marawi who really need our help. The city's under siege, and so I've decided to have a benefit dinner. And you basically purchase tickets and you come have dinner with us. We have a big party at a really great shrimp place over in Mandaluyong here. It takes place on June 21st at 6:30 p.m. I will leave all contact details in the description box if you want to purchase tickets. You can purchase tickets by emailing us at mabuhaysquad@MikeyBustosVideos.com or telephone or text us in the phone number that I will put in the description box of this video. And another thing too is, if you're not in Manila, you can still donate. Yes, so please support, help. Let's help, because in giving we receive, right? What do you think, Malaya? There's a whole other world outside my condo. A world that you were abducted from, actually, which I don't agree with, but looking on the bright side, it led you to me. Alright? I saved you. I wish I could have saved all of your brothers and sisters too that were in that cage over there in Quiapo. That would have been nice. Oh, guys, look. Here are some ascals. Oh my gosh, they're approaching me. Malaya, come back! Malaya, come back! Oh, freaked me out. Malaya took off, and those dogs were walking a little close to me. but they seem rather friendly. I can never tell. I mean, I've never been attacked by any street dogs yet here in the Philippines, but I heard they can be scary. Okay, this dog's following me. I heard they can attack, but I don't know, I've never had them attack before. And that dog was kind of little curious, too curious for my comfort. And then you freaked me out by flying. Don't worry, Malaya. This is an education session for both you and I, okay? Oh, look at this. Speaking of street animals, look at this kitten. Oh no, is it dead? Oh my gosh, guys, it's a dead kitten. Oh my, so sad. I don't know what to do. I don't have a bag or something to pick it up. It's, oh, how did it die? That is so sad. That is just so sad. You know what? Like a lot of third world and developing countries, stray cats and dogs is a very common problem. It's almost hard to eradicate. That's so sad. There are groups actually here in the Philippines that adopt out stray cats and dogs, which I think is great. But oh, that was so sad, right, my boy squad? So I know Malaya right now is very stimulated. She's really looking around, checking out the surroundings. Yeah, at one point I'm gonna stop so she can kind of explore around off my shoulder and hopefully return back to me. Now guys, check out the beautiful trees and plants that exist here. This is where a lot of the beautiful houses start. And I've taken you guys down here before. Every time I walk down here, I look for a for sale sign because I would love to live in these houses. Look at that beautiful landscaping, guys. Look at this house. Gorgeous. And a lot of the homes are gated. Beautiful. And this home has an electric fence. I don't blame them. Look at this beautiful, massive house with trees and oh, gorgeous. We've got residential condos here, low-rise condos. Nice. The best time to go walking in the Philippines, I feel, is in the morning like this, when it's not so hot, right? You can also walk around in the evening, which is also nice. But you know, if you're afraid for your safety and all of that, it's best to walk during the day. And a neighborhood like this is so peaceful. Yeah, Malaya? Yes. Okay, we're gonna stop soon so you could like fly around and check out the area. Just don't leave. Oh my god, guys, look at that corgi. So cute. Adorable. Alright, Malaya, I think we're doing pretty well here. Yeah. How about we station right here for a moment? Go, explore. Explore the floor. Come on. Yes, see? Cool, right? Look at all these ants. See, this is good for her, my boy squad. Come, here comes a tricycle. I don't want you to be run over by the tricycle. Here, go down again. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Check it out. Don't be afraid. She's still kind of nervous. These are new surroundings to her. Yes, see? Nice. Yeah. She's eating some of the ants. Go. Come on. And look over here in the grass. Look, in the grass. It's wet. It's dew. Morning dew. And you could drink that. Right? Oh, here comes a truck. Come. Here's a truck. Stay with me. Don't be afraid. Malaya, don't be afraid. Good job, Malaya. I fear that she gets spooked out by like large vehicles. Okay, here, go. Go, 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 go. Now, a lot of birds like to eat gravel. Like they like to eat small rocks. It helps them digest food. And I've seen Malaya do this. See? Yes. And she's staying super close to me. As you should. As you should. Alright guys, time to do something super Filipino. Well, here's a motorcycle. Come, stay, 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 stay. Stay with me. Don't fly. Alright, here's a car. Stay with me. Okay, time to do something very Filipino, guys. It's called the loyalty test. Hello po. Good morning. Yeah, sa Facebook. Yeah. Opo. Opo. Hi, Maboy Squad. We have a new friend here. Hello, tita.
Hello, hi.
Anong
Hi.
pangalan mo po?
Lilia Grospe.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you too. And where you're going to US? So
Yeah.
she said she's going to US
Yeah,
soon.
on May 24.
Wow.
And then from there, we'll go to East Coast in South Carolina.
Oh,
And
wow.
with my friend, I have a friend teacher in LA.
Wow, great. Sige,
Yeah.
shout them out sa video. Say,
Okay, hi, hello. Hello, I'm from Mandaluyong. Yeah,
Yes.
nice meeting.
nice meeting you too.
Is your family here?
No, they're all in Canada.
Really? We're in
Yeah,
Canada?
Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah,
Hope we will go to Toronto.
I hope so too. You should come to Toronto.
Yeah,
You guys
because-
should too.
Because they said that we will go to Niagara Falls, although I
Oh,
have
yes,
been
it's
there.
beautiful.
But here in the US side. And then,
Okay. The Canadian side is
the
better.
Canadian side, yeah. In the US side, you can see the building. No,
yes.
across.
Tama.
Okay, nice.
Okay, nice meeting you too.
Ang kulit naman ng bird mo.
Opo, yes,
Ah.
very mabait.
Oo, saan mo nakuha yan?
Sa Quiapo,
Oh, anong name yan?
Malaya.
Ano, Malaya.
Yeah.
Oh, mura lang dyan sa ano, sa...
Oo, 20 pesos lang. Bye. She's so nice, that lady. See, in the Philippines, you can just be walking down the street and you can meet some wonderful people. Okay, so back to our lessons here. As soon as these tricycles, hi, and they're friendly too. They say hi as they pass by. Okay, we're gonna try our lesson here. Malaya, on the ground. We're gonna do a very Filipino thing right now. She doesn't want to go on the ground. I want to do the loyalty test. I'm gonna put her down. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away. I'm running. I'm running. Yeah, there's no way she's gonna fly while I'm walking away. Isn't that Filipino, right? It's like, bye, bye. And then the baby's like, no, mommy, mommy. Loyalty test. We Pinoys are cruel sometimes. All right, Malaya, we're heading back home now. It's gonna start to get really hot soon. Wow, you guys should really hear the sounds of the birds here. It's just amazing. Like, the sounds of the birds really make you feel like you're in the tropics. It's so awesome. Can you guys hear that? Those birds? Amazing, right? And it's so funny, like, ever since I've been taking care of Malaya, for some reason my ears are more in tune now to the birds wherever I go. I'm like, whoop, I'll hear a certain bird and I'll be like, hey, Malaya, you made Mabuhay Squad proud today. Yes, kiss kiss. Alright, Mabuhay Squad, RJ and I are here. We're having Chinese for breakfast. Yes. RJ and I eat out a lot because usually we have no time to like cook, right? So we either eat out or we order delivery. And so many restaurants here in Manila deliver, so it's super convenient, right? So at this time of the day, guys, it is so hot outside. It's nice if you're by the pool, but it can get a little overbearing. Me, I don't mind staying out in the hot, humid weather, but prolonged exposure to that heat and humidity can become a little overbearing. Again, unless you're by a pool. Speaking of which, I actually have a pool in my building, and it's a nice pool, but I haven't gone there mostly because of time. But promise, Mabuhay Squad, let's go swimming in the pool, shall we? On our to-do list. Yes, guys, dim sum has arrived. There's a hakao and seafood dim sum and eggplant dim sum. So good. It's like stuffed eggplant dim sum. So delicious, guys. So juicy. Yes, yummy. Alright, guys, let's start with the hakao. Dip it in sauce. Okay. Next, eggplant. Dip it in my sausawan. It's hitting the spot right now. Let's try the seafood dim sum. Woo. So good. It's scalding hot, but it's so good. I just want to keep eating it. So I just drink it with cold water. Put out the flames. Oop. This fake crab though. Yum. Oh my goodness, my boy squad. Check out this food. Yes. We got salt and pepper squid, Tausi chicken, and Taiwanese pet chai. Yes. My boy squad, let's. Yum. Veggies, of course. Some chicken and salt and pepper squid. Okay, let's start first with the salt and pepper squid dipped in vinegar. I love sauce one. Wow, that's really good. This is good. That's good squid. Let's try the chicken in Tausi sauce. Yummy. Woo. Now time for our garlic Taiwanese pet chai. Wow, that's juicy. So fresh, guys. I love Chinese food. Thank you, China. What's up, my boy squad? Okay, so apparently we got a package right here and Malaya's really occupied with it. She's like, she was trying to help open it actually. And I'm excited to see what's inside. It is from Paul John Namiit from Bacoor, Cavite. Interesting. Let's open it. All right, my boy squad, let's open this. What might be inside? Oh, bag. Oh, awesome! Looks like we got da, 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 da.